Hey there, Math Explorers! Welcome back to the amazing world of Reading Readiness Centers. Get ready to blast off into the universe of super cool subtraction. Are you ready to become a subtraction superhero? Let's go! Hey, awesome thinkers! You already know subtraction like a boss, and guess what? You're about to become subtraction wizards. Get ready for another fantastic math journey. Imagine you're on a cookie-filled adventure. You've just discovered a treasure trove of 189 scrumptious cookies. But being the wise adventurer you are, you want to stash away some for another day. Let's say you decide to keep 97 cookies all to yourself. Now, let's sprinkle some math magic and find out how many cookies you'll be sharing with your pals. Time to put your subtraction skills into high gear. Start by subtracting 7 from 9 in the ones place. Whoosh! You're left with 2. Now, let's head to the tens place, subtract 9 from 8. But, don't forget the secret code of borrowing from the hundreds place, just like you've done before. So, it's 18 minus 9, which is 9, and don't miss that borrowed secret one. Boom! You've cracked the code and found that you'll have a delicious 92 cookies left to share with your buddies. You just conquered advanced subtraction once again. Incredible job. Time for another math mission now. Imagine you've got a treasure trove of 246 sparkling crystals, and you want to gift 165 to your pals. Can you crack the code and discover how many dazzling gems you'll have left? Listen up, future math geniuses. Start subtracting from the ones place and make your way to the left. You've got this, and borrowing is your super-duper secret weapon. Listen up, future math geniuses, this is where the real magic happens. Start by subtracting 5 from 6 in the ones place. Voila! You've got one shining gem left. Now, let's journey to the tens place, subtract 6 from 4. But, don't forget to unleash your super-duper secret weapon, borrowing. Transform 4 into 14 by borrowing 1 from 2, then subtract 6 from 14. You're left with 8 sparkling gems. Lastly, subtract 1 from 2 in the hundreds place. You've cracked the magical code and revealed that you'll have a mesmerizing collection of 81 dazzling gems left to cherish. You've unlocked the power of advanced subtraction. You're on fire. Keep shining bright and practicing. You're on a roll. You rock stars deserve a big round of applause. Thanks for joining our awesome math adventure today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share the fun with your friends, and hit that magical subscribe button. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll catch you next time for more mind-boggling challenges. Happy subtracting, and remember, you're unstoppable.